Hello everyone. So today we are going to talk about the levels of management. But before answering the questions that how many levels are there and what are these levels, let me pose a question to you. Why is there even a need for the levels of management? We all know that there are many people working in any organization, right? So is it possible that all these people can work on a similar level? No. Why? Because in order to achieve a particular task, one person has to supervise another person. And when one person is supervising the another person, there is established a relationship of supervisor and the subordinate. So if I expand this relationship of superior and subordinate to the whole organization, there basically becomes a chain of superior and subordinate relationship, right? So this chain is called the levels of management. Now we come to the question that how many levels are there in the organization? There are 3 levels of management in any organization. The first one is top level management, the second one is middle level management, the third one is lower or operative level of management, right? So the first one, the top level management, is basically the highest authority of the organization, right? That's why they are also called the administrative level of management. Now look at the triangle of the management. The topmost part, which is the smallest one, it tries to show that there are limited people in the organization at the topmost level, right? The board of directors, the presidents, the chairmen, the vice president, vice chairmen, all these people are limited in number. That's why they are shown at the topmost part of the triangle. And the work that these people handle is obviously of the topmost priority, which is determination of objective, forming policies, controlling the performance of people working for them. The second one is middle level management. They are also called the executory level of management, right? It basically serves as a link between both the levels. The middle level management is subordinate to the top level management and superior to the lower level management. The middle level management consists of the different departmental heads. Example, there is marketing department, production department, purchase department, finance department. They basically communicate the policies of the higher management to the operative level management. Now let's come to third one, lower level, the operative level. They seek the operations at the base level of the organization. That's why they are called the operative management, right? They play a crucial role in proper management of the organization. Why? Because they directly interact with the actual workforce of the organization. Let's just take the example of a clothing factory. So there the actual workforce will be the people making clothes. Lower level management directly interacts with the actual workforce and lets them know the policies, the instructions, the roles and responsibilities that are communicated by the middle level to the organization. This is all about the levels of management. If you have any query regarding this or any other topic, you can just comment down and let me know. Thank you so much guys. This is all for today.